Justanupdate, mate. You know, welcome back to the channel. So this is the 4th event. Every time I do this, all the fucking cameras broken, never record it. So hopefully this time we get a good footage and, you know, some good yarn and stories, mate. Proper S13, mate?
Yeah.
No VCT?
Yep.
Oh, you got VCT in it?
No.
Nah? Yeah. Good shit. What's happening here, mate?
No handbrake, brother.
No handbrake, you know what you're doing?
Nope.
No,
Not a clue.
not a clue.
I can't even drive the right fucking socket.
Isn't this like what all Imperials, mate?
No.
How much do you love your car right now, bro?
That's cool, man.
It is. I like that you spend actual, you know, like dollar money on buying the wheels.
Yeah, they're cool wheels. They are clean.
Small boy. Oh, mate, I hope you enjoy the not bad good slides, mate.
Yeah, it's not bad, just Sloides.
Good Sloides.
How's that spelling though? How's
Hey.
that spelling though?
Some fucking foreign bastard, eh? What is this mad setup, bro?
The 330 Ti 2003
Shitbox.
And we go drifting.
Is your warning lights on? ABS on?
No, that's ABS off, traction control off, dynamic stability control off.
Yeah.
And no transmission apparently.
say goodbye on the vlog, mate, you know, follow and subscribe and stuff, because since you have better English.
What, just because you can't speak English?
Nah, me no English.
Me no English.
Me no
Like,
English.
comment, subscribe.
Yeah, and you know, some garbage English.